It's another maintenance Monday. Whoa. I wish it were every day. Whoa. 'Cause that's our fun day. Oh. It's another maintenance Monday.
Hello folks, I'm Ryan Waldy, construction foreman here at Oxbow Park. I'm going to go over our Pines building move. Location of the Pines building was right over here. We needed to move it because that is going to be the location of our new nature center. So some of the site prep we did, we had to remove some of the trees. The nature center is going to be much larger and is going to envelop that area over there. So we had a company come in and they lifted it up, hydraulic lifted it, and hauled it to our new location that's right over by the campground. We plan on using it for Eagle Scout, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, things of that nature. Some of the site prep we had to do over there was build a concrete pad for the location, and then the company came in and lowered the building onto the concrete pad, and then we re-put the doors on, and now it sits in that wonderful location over there.